Hi everyone, my name is Marty Nelson. I'm with Monroe Truck Equipment. I'm here at the NTA Work Truck Show. We have our 2022 Chevy Silverado with a Smoothride system and a stainless steel Z-dump. First of all, I'm going to point out the Smoothride system. The point of the Smoothride system is to smooth out the ride of any medium-duty Chevrolet, a regular cab, a crew cab, two-wheel drive, or four-wheel drive. This system will work on everything. So what we do is we remove the factory cab mounts, which are rigid, and we put an air suspension in there, an air bag, if you will, that softens the ride between the frame and the cab. On a crew cab, we have 4 of them underneath the cab. On a regular cab, we have 2. And behind the cab, we also have a ride height control valve that will maintain the height of the truck while the airbags are deployed. And once the airbags release some air, it recharges itself. It's all powered off of an air compressor under the hood. We provide an aftermarket air compressor that will charge an air tank, which will have a higher pressure, which provides air pressure to the different airbags. This system is mounted under the hood to keep it quiet, so as it operates, you don't hear much noise inside the cab. It's self-contained, there's no maintenance, there's nothing to regulate, it takes care of itself. It improves the ride of the truck by 50%. If you visit our website, we've got literature on there. It's called Smoothride again, and you can see some of the test data that we have for it. If you order a Chevrolet Silverado 4500 medium duty or higher, you can order a factory air compressor, which we can integrate without having to use the aftermarket compressor. So either way that you order the chassis, we can provide you with a power system to power the airbags. So moving back on the truck, on this truck we have it paired with a stainless steel Z-dump. This is a product that we've had for many years. This is again the stainless steel version, rust resistance. So in a salt environment, you won't have rust issues and maintenance issues. You won't have to do much maintenance on the body. It's got an electric hoist, rigid sides. We do also offer it in a full down side version. Also available in a mild steel powder coated body as well. These bodies have a 5-year warranty on it, made by Monroe Truck Equipment and branded by us. We also offer an 18,000 pound receiver hitch on the back. We have this truck here on display at the Work Truck Show. If you want more information, come visit us at monroetruck.com. Thank you.